Example problem 11 is a word problem, and it reads, clinical laboratories often use micropipettes that measure in units of microliters. A clinical laboratory scientist has been presented with 8.7 milliliters of patient urine to perform tests that a hospital physician has ordered. How many microliters of urine does the scientist have to work with? So the first thing that we always do is figure out what we're starting with. Here we're starting with 8.7 milliliters of urine. And then we figure out what we're converting to. So the last sentence says, how many microliters of urine does the CLS have? So microliters. Now we have to figure out if it's a multi-step or a single-step approach. So we're going from something with a prefix, which is milliliters, to something else with a prefix, which is microliters. And since we're going from one thing with a prefix to another thing with a prefix, it's going to be a multi-step approach. And we have to go to liters, since that is what the two units share. So we're going to draw our multiplication symbol, draw our division bar, bring milliliters to the bottom to cancel, and convert to liters first. Then we're going to draw another multiplication symbol, draw another division bar, bring liters to the bottom to cancel, and convert to microliters. So we give the 1 to the thing with the prefix and the metric system constant to the base unit. The metric system constant for milli is 1 times 10 to the minus third. Over here we give the 1 to the thing with the prefix and the metric system constant to the base unit. And for mics, it's 1 times 10 to the minus 6. So milli cancels, liters cancels, and we're left with mics of urine, which is what we want. So in our calculators, we would write 8.7 times 1 times 10 to the minus third divided by 1 times 10 to the minus 6. So 8.7 times 1 e to the minus third divided by 1 e to the minus 6. We're left with 8.7 times 10 to the third microliters of urine. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 11.